Okay, this is the Anatech Hummer 6.2. Our chamber is located on the top. All your controls is here at the front. It's plumbed with argon gas. Argon gas is set to about 5 psi, fed through to the back of the chamber. On the front here, main control is here. This is our vacuum gauge. Has 2 indicator lights and set points that you can set if you want to change them. Right now the high is set to 140 and the low is set to 30. The instruction manual states that it should be set for a low of 30 for most applications. As you can see, we're reading, well, it just changed, we're reading 19 millitorr. Our gas is off. We're not using pulse. Our amperage indicator is here. You have the selector switch of whether you're doing plate, etch, or plasma. And over on this bank, we have the voltage control on and off. And here is our timer. Right now it's set to 240 seconds for no particular reason. And we'll have to start it on auto. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is have the argon flowing in here. Once I turn that on, you will see the vacuum increase because of the gas that we're adding in. So I'll turn the switch on, and as you can see, the vacuum is going up. We've passed our 30 millitorr point, so that low indicator has gone off. And it recommends usually somewhere between 40 and 60, again depending upon your application, millitorr, to do the plating that you want to do. At this point, I'm going to turn the voltage on, and then I'm going to hit auto, which will start the timer and enable this whole thing to work. So I've done that, and you can see that we now have current. We have a voltage selector here, and if you look in the chamber, you can see that we are generating plasma. At this point, I'm using an aluminum target to do the plating, but there is no target included with this system. And if you watch the plasma, I'm going to just change the voltage so you can see that it will adjust depending upon that. And at the same time, you can optimize your gas flow with the needle valve here, which will also have an effect on how much flow, and it'll affect the vacuum. So those two controls, the plasma, the argon and the voltage, will affect what's occurring in the chamber. When I hit reset on the timer here, the plasma will stop, the clock will reset.